here, this is going to be for chicken. All right, my steak and my chicken is done. Now, what I'm gonna do is add some cilantro to it. You can use the fresh or the prepackaged one. This is the prepackaged one right here. This is the natural juices right here. Don't drain your juices. Now, you can use the same tongue for it because both meats are done. All right, nextly is add your taco seasoning. My seasoning is like to add is an all-purpose seasoning that does really, really good with these beans here. See, okay, now all this is cooked, which in all took about 5 minutes, 6 minutes, not including prep time. That's like 15 minutes. Time to give me some fries. Fries right there. Get my chips. And I'll line my chips around my plate. All right. Next, I'm gonna get some steak. That's the steak on this side here. Next, I'm gonna get some chicken. Bless it on this side right here. And on this side right here, my refried beans. All right, now this is my queso cheese. And this is the best, this right here, this is the best queso cheese that is on the market to buy in the stores. It tastes just like the Mexican restaurants. All right, give me a scoop of queso. Right now, lettuce in the center. All right, gonna sprinkle some Kobe Jack cheese around here too. Grab me some tomatoes. And some sour cream. Lastly, but not least, some taco sauce. Add me a little bit more sour cream to this bad boy. And this is how I do my steak and chicken nacho. Booyah, baby. See, if you like content like this, please like, subscribe, hit that bell, leave me a comment, and don't forget to read that Bible verse to feed that soul. And see you next time on Food for the Soul, baby. Booyah!